Hi, welcome to SureFew. I'm Brent, and tonight I want to demonstrate a version of the hand drill that I call the shoe drill. It's something that you can use as a substitute for the hand drill if your palms are torn up, or if you're really tired, or even if your technique just isn't that good and you need to get a coal. So it basically works the same as the hand drill, except you have some kind of flat-soled shoes. You're going to put them over your hands, and instead of tearing up your palms, you're going to have this nice rubber grip against the spindle. This obviously won't work with hiking boots or anything with large treads. These have nice flat soles. So the setup is the same. We have our fireboard, we have our Mullen spindle, we have a nice bird's nest tinder bundle all ready to go here, and we have a piece of birch bark to catch the coal. Sometimes you need to start, if you have a new hole that you haven't burned in yet, you might need to start that with your hands because it can be a little more dexterous. Okay, so I've got that started. It should be a little bit more secure now. We'll go back to the shoe drill. Again, start by putting your left hand in your left shoe, lean that spindle against the toe, and put your right hand in your right shoe, and put the heel to toe. Notice when I get to the bottom, there's no easy way to migrate up the stalk with the shoes, so I'm going to hold it with my teeth while I bring the shoes back up. I'm just going to ferociously go down and bite the stalk and repeat until I start to see a coal. And we have a coal. Carefully remove the fireboard. I'm going to put a little bit of cattail fluff in my tinder bundle. It's going to extend the coal a little bit. Not rushing to get that coal in here. Letting that build heat. In fact, I'm going to take a little bit of unburned coal dust from the last time, pour that right over the coal, make it a little bigger. Very carefully drop that into the bird's nest. No rush at all here. Letting that build heat, letting it dry out any moisture in the tinder bundle. Might even take a little bit more coal dust. Drop it in there. Tinder bundle's getting pretty hot, so I'm gonna save my hands by breezing it with that birch bark. And there you have it. It's basically two very important advantages of the shoe drill versus the regular hand drill. Number one, if you have somewhat moist materials at a high humidity level or something, that rubber sole is going to be much grippier than your palms, and you're going to be able to get a lot more downward pressure that way as you're working your way down the stock. The other equally important thing, maybe even more important, is that if you do much hand drill at all, you'll start to tear up your palms real bad, and you can get bone bruises, and you can be out of commission for weeks. So sometimes you really need a way to save your palms. And this, I could have blisters on my palms right now, and I could still do the shoe drill without injuring my hands any further. So it's very important for that reason as well.